Okay, so we're going to start with a view on market performance, just to kind of set the scene and see where things are at. What we've got here is the year to date, so starting on the 1st of January, we've got Bitcoin here in orange, we've got Ethereum here in blue, and we've got in white the aggregate altcoin sector, excluding Ethereum and excluding stablecoins. Now, what we can see is the Bitcoin dominance has swelled and grown over the course of this year. We hit a peak of over 170% year-to-date performance on a market cap basis. So Bitcoin's market cap has grown by 170% this year. This is leaving traditional assets like golds, bonds, and equities, quite frankly, in the dust. And as we mentioned, over the course of this year, it is going to turn heads. Now, what is really important is we got to about 75% year-to-date change up until October. And as I mentioned before, I'm going to be a shill for October because this is a very common thread that I want you to carry through this whole episode, because something shifted back there in October and it's naturally driven by price action and obviously the underlying mechanics that we like to study. So of our 172%, 75 was locked in by the time we got to October. This was our ceiling for some time. We gained an additional 100% of that 172 since October. So really, this has been where a lot of the action has been. And the last observation on this chart is that Ethereum has been a bit of a laggard this cycle. Quite interestingly, I think it's caught a lot of people off surprise. The ETH BTC ratio is really hovering around multi-year lows, about 0.052. And actually, the wider altcoin sector, which is basically everything except stablecoins and Ethereum, is more or less at the same level of performance. So it has been a very interesting dynamic where the market really has seen Bitcoin dominance, and it's almost been a bit of a barbell type approach to what the market has priced in this year. So a very, very interesting dynamic, and one that we're going to be watching play out over the course of 2024.